Good morning. They are making pancakes. Wow. Big and small.
Big and small.
Oh. Is it all?
No, we have one and two left, but it don't fit in the.
Yeah. I see. So it's a Dutch pancake.
And we eat it with syrup
Mm-hmm.
and for sure.
Sure. Yeah. We do have that here. Okay, then good luck.
Thank you.
I'm waiting for the pancake. You're eating pancakes? Kuya Saoirse and Ate Rana, eat that one. I make that one. Thank you, Kuya Saoirse, Ate Rana. Ma-appetit soon. Bon appetit, guys. Good morning. Mag-end tayo. Magdadala tayo ng rice. Kasi walang rice dun sa pupuntahan namin. And kakain na kami dun sa okay.
Ito pa yung hamburger. Hamburger. Ano pa ito nga itong ano? Ba't walang nakainan?
Ano to, pancake to meron eh.
Hindi, ito oh.
Ayan, burger. Ayan mo na lang.
Pakain? May ketchup eh. Pwede ba ito?
Ketchup, bawal ba sa asong ketchup?
Hindi ba anong aso nito?
My love. Good morning. Guys, ang ganda ng view namin pag morning, pati yung night. Hindi ko ata sa inyo napakita yung view namin, pero we are on the top of Alanya. Ayan, those are the ano. Ang ganda, grabe. Tapos, maganda dito is meron kaming pool na katabi. And I thought, etong pool na to is sa amin lang, but it was a shared pool. So, ilang building yan. Ilang houses. Pero, parang 3 house lang yung, merong tao. Yan. Ah, nahulog yung nesta. Ayun, pati yun. And then there's a barbecue place there also. We can do barbecue. Good morning. Good morning. What you? Ricochet?
Your top.
Ano po?
Look out.
Look out. Ma, careful ka ma, oh. Ma, natampilok ako. Oh, natampilok ako. Nagkamali ako. Dapat normally pupunta kami sa... May gusto kasing puntahan yung ate ko. Para siyang theater ba. Eh, hindi ko siya ma-search kagabi. Kaya naghanap ako ng ibang places na mapupuntahan. And then, nakita ko to siya. It's an Asian place. Kaya sabi ko, okay, sige, doon na lang tayo punta. Kaya, tayo, walking, tayo ngayon. Ang peg natin. Do you want ice cream? Ice cream?
McDonald's ice cream.
Do you want? You want? Oh, sige.
I want the minion.
The minion? It's not good. It doesn't taste good yet. Ayan. These are original, guys. This one is Prince Korkut Mosque. Ayan. Ayun talaga yung daanan, oh. Nilagyan lang nila ng glass to preserve it. Ha? Ito na yung Hilderlik Tower. Ayan. Next stop tayo. Last stop to para sa tour. Oh, you can get. May mga money kayo eh. Guys, nandito kami sa candy shop. It's full of food. Yaren, do you like anything else? Yeah, ma'am. Ah, they have here that's almond sneakers.
Love it.
Yeah? Okay, balik mo na yan. How much? How much?
Yung ano,
150.
630.
Ah, 600. Oh my gosh. Grabe, ang mahal.
Euro?
Tele. Oh, Barbie. Hmm? They also have ano, dime. And this some Mars cookies. Wow naman. That's so nice. You want me to take a photo of you? Oh. Guys, ang mahal daw dito. Tinanong ni Nesta yung nagustuhan niya na chips. And ang mahal daw. Come on, Ate Barbie. Look tayo dito. Dito pa, oh. Meron pa, oh. They have here na ko. They have here. Ay, dito ka. Upo ka dito na ko. Ate. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Magkano yan?
1,750.
Oh, you got it. Wow. Okay, let's go na. Kulayasin.
Gregas na. Are you waiting for us, honey?
We were waiting for you. Wow naman, nakabili si Kuya Mag... Aha. Aha.
I got Rare Beauty blush that I did not yet have.
Okay. Oh?
Mga age nila.
Oo nga.
Sa unang wala.
Wala kayong Sephora sa Holland? Allah, Allah. Ha? Guys, nandun sila Yari, si Barbie pati si Nesto. Pupunta sila sa Adidas, bibili kasi sila ng bole. Now we are just waiting here. Kanila Sir siya. Ayan, si Gunner pati si Yari nandito. Ayan, bibili sila ng ano, candy ni Yaren. May pinapabili si Yaren. Ito yung mga order na. Ha? Ha? Ha, this is also for mom. Yeah. Kasi burger sa'yo, di ba? Gusto mo ng burger? With the nuggets. Ang ganda ng view. Dito kami kumain eh, sa food court nila. Tapos ito yung view namin. Ang ganda. Ha?
MSC. Energy.
Napakaganda dito. I really like that. Wait a minute. Okay, go. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Wow. Ang ganda yung gusto kong bumalik dito. Ang ganda niya talaga. Wow. Ah, yeah. Guys, ang ganda. Huh? Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Wow. Amazing.
Blauwe band, wat is hier in